Good morning. I'm Anubhav Acharya. I'm doing my project work in Hindustan Coca-Cola Beverage Private Limited. My batch number is 19. I'm a mechanical engineering student of Weltec University. My project title is Analysis and to Decrease Breakdowns in Filler. Internal guide S. Kotai, ma'am. External guide Kartika Anand sir. Abstract. In Hindustan Coca-Cola Beverage Private Limited, the standard production rate of filled bottles is 36,000 bottles per hour. But due to some breakdown, the speed is not continuous. The project deals with analysis and to reduce the breakdowns in filler. In this project, one of the TPM tool fishbone diagram used to get the root cause of the breakdown. This root cause helps to get accurate solution by YY analysis. This helps to decrease the breakdowns in filler, hence increase the production. Hindustan Coca-Cola Beverage Private Limited is the largest bottling partner of the Coca-Cola Company in India. It is a part of the Coca-Cola Company's Bottling Investment Group, that is BIG, and responsible for the manufacture, package, sale, and distribution of beverages under the trademark of the Coca-Cola Company. Existing process: blow mold, rinser, filler, capper, inspection system, labeler, filler machine. Machine specification: 120 is to 60 is to 20. 120 is the filler valve, 60 is rinser gripper, and 20 is capper groover. List of breakdowns in filler: hopper capper not ready, speed too high or no safe hold feedback, cyclic spraying active, active capper malfunction, flow control, flush plates, curve monitor not of malfunction, position 3 bottle flow monitor malfunction, position 2 bottle flow monitor malfunction, flush plates automatic operation active, rinser medium 1, tank level below minimum. Hopper capper not ready. When synchronization is not proper between capper hopper and capping machine. When filler door is open. Data analysis. Count of duration 974 times. Sum of duration 23 hour 51 minute 56 seconds. Sum of duration 40.56%. Fishbone diagram. Problem: VFD hopper capper not ready. Method: problem: improper cleaning is required. Man: proper operating of machine. In machine: sensor problem in capping machine, pressure problem. Next: capper hopper pump not work properly. Material: defect in cap manufacturing. Speed is too high or no safe hold feedback. When bottle falls down at the time of going to filler machine. When door is open or when door is not closed properly. Data analysis. Count of duration 546 times. Sum of duration 13 hours 43 minutes 31 seconds. Sum of duration 15.96%. Diagram. Problem: speed is too high or no safe hold feedback. In men, due to the rust particles in filler valve, cleaning is required. In material, defect in manufacturing of bottles. In machine, defect in manufacturing of bottles and filler valve having spraying active. When bottle stopper closed. Data analysis. Count of duration 1514 times. Sum of duration 20 hours 7 minutes 34 seconds. Sum of duration 8.51%. Diagram. Problem: cyclic spraying active. In man, checking of bottle stopper rubber. In machine, if water spraying nozzle having some broken part. In method, bottle stopper is not open automatically. Capper malfunction: when cap is not coming properly from capper machine to bottle capping section through conveyor. Data analysis. Count of duration 945 times. Sum of duration 5 hours 4 minutes and 14 seconds. Sum of duration 2.15%. Bond diagram. Active capper malfunction is the problem in men cleaning properly. In method, no pressure is given in conveyor. In machine, dust present in sensor and dust present. Flush plates curve monitor not a malfunction. When dust particle or water accommodate to the sensor of flush plates, then sensor stops sensing, which shows this error. Data analysis. Count of duration 19. Sum of duration 20 hours 28 minutes 27 seconds. Sum of duration 8.66%. Fishbone diagram. Flush plates curve monitor not a malfunction is the problem. In men cleaning properly. In method, sensor cleaning process is available. In machine, dust present in sensor and water particle present in sensor. Position 3 bottle flow monitor malfunction. When a capped bottle not sensed by P3 sensor, that is position 3 sensor, then position 3 bottle flow monitor malfunction occurs. Data analysis. Count of duration 1880 times. Sum of duration 18 hours 34 minutes 42 seconds. Sum of duration 7.86%. Position 3 bottle flow monitor malfunctions fishbone diagram. Problem is P3 malfunction. In men cleaning properly the sensor. In method, pressure is not proper. In machine, dust present in sensor and water particle present in sensor. In material, if brake cap comes. Position 2 bottle flow monitor malfunction. When an empty bottle sensed by P1 and not sensed by P2, then position 2 bottle flow monitor malfunction occurs. Data analysis. Count of duration 6054 times. Sum of duration 16 hours 36 minutes 39 seconds. Sum of duration 7.03 per fishbone diagram. Problem is P2 malfunction, that is position 2 malfunction. Men cleaning properly the sensor. In method, bottle stopper is not automatic. In machine, dust present in sensor, water particle present in sensor and bottle holder damage. Material. If defected bottle is present. Rinser medium 1 tank level below minimum. Rinser medium 1 tank level below minimum. When water level of the rinser tank goes below, then tank level below minimum error occurs. Data analysis. Count of duration 31 times. Sum of duration 2 hours 17 minutes 46 seconds. Sum of duration 0.97. Fishbone diagram. Problem is rinser tank level below minimum. In machine, dust present in sensor. Problem. By doing data analysis, it is clear that most of the problem occurs in P2 and P3 sensor, that is position 2 and position 3 sensor. Here is the YY analysis of P2 sensor. Data analysis of P2 sensor. Count of duration 6054. Sum of duration 16 hours 36 minutes 39 seconds. Sum of duration 7.03. YY analysis. Why P2 malfunction occurs? When an empty bottle sensed by P1 and not sensed by P2, then position 2 bottle flow monitor malfunction occurs. Why P1 sends the bottle and P2 not? Because bottle falls down while going from P1 to P2. Why bottle falls down? Because the bottle gripper damage. Why the bottle gripper damage? Because when the bottle stuck in plastic gripper, it cause of gripper broken. First, bottle gripper which used in filler is made up of general plastic and it is a simple bottle holder. Second, no spring is used in this gripper. Third, when the speed of machine varies then the bottle misplaced the right area and stuck in gripper, so the gripper breaks. Image of broken plastic gripper picture. Solution. If a stainless steel material gripper is used, then damage of gripper will reduce. In stainless steel material gripper, a closed coil spring is fixed which tends to grip the bottle smoothly. By using this, the breakage of gripper. This is the SS gripper material. Reduce of damaged gripper by using SS gripper, that is stainless steel gripper. Time saved by reducing damage. Hence decrease breakdown, which helps to increase production. References: TQM of Tata McGraw-Hill, Manual of